All right, today I have Bactine Max pain relieving cleansing spray, and I'm going to show you how to use this according to what the manufacturers say on the back panel. So this is pain relieving cleansing spray. It's used for first aid and pain reliever and antiseptic. It kills up to 99% of germs. Max strength germ killing. So that's what it's known for, killing the germs. It has 4% lidocaine HCI, max strength pain reliever. So it has germ killing going on in here, and it also has a pain reliever, which is the lidocaine HCI, and it's no sting. All right, so let's go ahead and look on the back and see what the manufacturer says about using this particular product. As you can see, it comes in a nice bottle with a fancy cap, and we'll get on to that fancy cap in a second. Now with this, it says it has the drug facts, which you should definitely read. It has that benzoyl, I can't really pronounce that, but that's the first aid antiseptic. As you can see right here, it says first aid antiseptic. Getting a little bit closer so you can see that better. And lidocaine, now that is what is used to relieve the pain, okay, take the pain away. Its uses are for first aid to help prevent bacterial contamination or skin infection, and temporary relief of pain, where the lidocaine comes into place, and itching. Okay, it says itching associated with minor cuts, scrapes, minor burns, sunburn, skin, which are minor skin irritations. So it's important that you read the warnings on here. I'm not going to go over all of those, but it's important that you read these before using this product, and I suggest that you contact your physician before using any product on your skin. Now, the directions for this are quite simple. It says for adults and children 2 years and older, clean the affected area. So you'll want to clean whatever area is infected first, and then spray a small amount on the area up to 3 times daily. May be covered with sterile bandage. Let dry first. Okay, so let this dry after you spray it on before you apply a sterile bandage. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and open this up so you can get a good look at this to see what we're working at. So like I said, it's a fancy cap. Now, you can lock it by pressing it that way. So I'm going to do this right here, and I'm going to try to unlock this the best way that I can. I'm going to get a little bit outwards a little bit. So as you can see, you can't go ahead and push down on this right away. You have to turn it. Okay, so you have to turn it so this arrow is in line with this divot right here, or this cove right here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and turn it. And in order to turn it, you raise it up, I think, and then you spin it. Or maybe you don't. You press down on here. Here it goes. You press down on this button right here, and then you spin it until it goes right there. And once it goes right there, you're able to spray it on your minor wound right here after you've cleaned it. So when I start to spray it, too much should not come out because it needs to be primed first. But I'm going to go ahead and spray it. And it comes out like this, and it's supposed to be pain relieving. It looks like it has a whitish hue to it, which should go away. There's a slight sweet smell to it, thanks to the fragrance, I believe, that they added to this as some of the other ingredients. Doesn't sting. Of course, I don't have it on a wound, but it goes on like almost as if it's water to a degree, but definitely not water. It's a little bit slippery right here, so it's like drying into the skin, and it is killing 99% of germs, okay? And there is a pain reliever here. So if I had a wound that was quite painful, it would actually knock the pain away, take the pain away. So this is Bactine Max Pain Relieving Cleansing Spray. How to use this, how to open up the cap. When you're done, you want to go ahead and lock it back. And so you're just going to take this and spin it the other way to lock it into place. That way children and pets have a difficult time to getting into this. I hope this was helpful. Thanks a lot for watching.